in the ozone. Na 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 na. Thank you. And back to your host. That was Party Love by Mick Jagger.
Ang ganda ng kanta na yan, ano?
Maganda ba, host?
Yeah, ang ganda ng kanta na yan, Sir Yudes, as in. I like that song.
Yes.
Parang narinig ko yan kay ano, una ko narinig yan, Sir Yudes, kay ano, shoutout kay Miss Paulette, am I right? Kay Miss Paulette, parang narinig ko yan.
Kay Rodeline, host. And then I also heard this to Miss Paulette. Yeah.
Yeah, what a beautiful song. Welcome, Moody. Thank you so much. Welcome, Moody. Thank you. And
Is this the main channel of Moody Gainalin Saraga?
Miss Gainalin,
shout out.
Miss Gaina, hello. Ano, kamusta na Miss Gaina doon? Hindi ako nanood.
Hey,
Miss
Moody.
Gaina,
I'm here at your channel, 246.
Yeah.
All right. So I will watch this 1 year ago, 3 months ago,
doon ka na Sir Yudes sa bago-bago.
2 months ago, 13 days.
Miss Gainalin, nanood ka ba Miss Gainalin? Talent night nga nila, Princess, pero I have no guts to watch the live kasi parang hihimatayin ako. Mamaya na lang, magre-replay na lang ako mamaya ng live nila. Kamwat may good luck na lang kay Princess sa Yudes.
Alright. Congrats, Princess.
Wala pa. Nakikipaglaban pa si Princess.
Yes. Why are you laughing, Gainalin Saraga? Is there something funny about my voice?
Sir Yudes, welcome ODG. Request Michael Jackson song. He wants to request Michael Jackson song if you know some of Michael Jackson songs. Thank you. Okay, and of course I want to say thank you so much, namaste, to our friends in India. Okay, they are all from India, Sir Yudes, and alam mo kaya maraming tao dito kasi parang sinishare nila kaya daming Indian.
Yes, guys, you can share the live stream of our host Princess Magnifico to other country. Yes.
Yeah. Miss Rosemary BTS Guadalupe, hello. Miss Rosemary, thank you so much. Happy Saturday. Thank you so much for coming, Miss Rosemary. How are you?
Yes, amiga. Rosemary, gracias.
Uy,
arigato gozaimasu.
Nandas, thank you Nandas R. Rangsa. Uy, okay. Miss Rosemary Guadalupe, hola, gracias. And what did you say, Miss Gainalin? Princess is beautiful and talented, Mamchi, kaya mananalo siya. Wow, sana all, Miss Gaina.
Wow.
Okay.
Ang dahil dyan, may pan-Jollibee ka.
Yeah. Parang may nabasa kayo May nabasa ba kayo?
Diba?
Because if ever na pala rin si Princess, manalo man or hindi. Sige lang, Miss Gaina, I will give you pang Jabi. Okay?
Wow.
Yeah. Pero isupport niyo ako guys sa ang pageant na
Yes. Loyal yan si Gaina, Ma'am Shi.
Thank you so much. And of course, tonight is talent night ngayon. And the pageant night talaga is on Pizza Tres. Sir Yudes, anong araw ba yun? Pizza Tres? Lunes? Monday. That's
Loyal
on
yan
Monday.
si Gaina, Ma'am Shi.
Samahan niyo ako manood sa live sa pageant night on Monday. Thank you. Ay, apaw!
Just beat it. So beat it.